So today I'll be showing you how to reinstall apps on your Sony Smart TV. Now, the easiest way to do this is to go to apps at the top there. So select apps and then you can scroll and find the app you want to reinstall. And you can do this for any problematic app. For instance, let's say I want to reinstall VLC. So all I'll do is long press on the middle button once I have VLC highlighted, and then I'll scroll down and select View Details. And then I'll go ahead and uninstall the app. So click on Uninstall and then confirm I want to uninstall. With the app uninstalled, now I can go ahead and click on Install and I'll install the latest version of that particular application. So it's going to download afresh and install it. So it's really that simple. That's how to download apps. That's how to reinstall apps on your Sony Smart TV. Thanks for watching and good luck.